to the beat for your boy. Shout it, yeah, yeah.
Money in the bank, money in the bank, money in the bank, money in the bank.
Shout it, clap it, shout it, tight it. Should stay there all night it. When you
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. In today's vlog will be, matter of fact, I'm about to start making some 10 story now one. The noise that you're hearing is actually the laundry, the dryer and the washer. So if that's disturbing you, I'm sorry. We're about to go upstairs to make some oatmeal porridge. As Jamaican said, Oats Porridge. Yeah, we're gonna do that for the kids this morning. And then I have already loosed Tavania's hair out. We're gonna wash her hair today and comb it. And then I took off all my nails along with my toes. So we're gonna do a little manicure or pedicure today and do a new set. Okay, what else are we gonna do? I may actually bring this over into tomorrow. It's tomorrow I need to go get my hair done because I'm looking crusty and rusty. And I need to bring Tristan to a doctor's appointment as well. So stay tuned. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section and share. Guys, remember in the last video how I was telling you about the AC not working? The LG technician came and he was like, I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do because the AC unit is actually a 220 volts and what you have here is a 110, so it can't work. If this was set up from last year, you'd have figured that out and then you'd have been able to change it because they actually come in 110 volts. Well, you know, it's a girl get mad, but I went and I called my electrician and the Friday, oh, that happened the Thursday. The Friday, the electrician came and they fixed it. Finally! So we got like a new outlet for it to plug right into it. But here's the thing about it. And first of all, it's powerful. I love it. I love it. The whole house. But you want to tell me that since it's put up, I think we use it just one time because Connecticut just, I don't know. Right now, outside is so cold. We don't need the AC. We haven't used the AC for almost, I want to say, the last time we used it was on Saturday. That was it. Place cool. Place cool. Nice temperature. I don't know. It's crazy. When I was, and I've been so productive because of this cool temperature. It's crazy. I've almost done all my laundry so far. As I said before, I loosed out Tavania's here last night. Today, I'm not about to be doing anything crazy because I did everything Monday, Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. I'm just finishing up some of the laundry, wash Tavania here, do my nail press-ons. I think I may cook some food today. I have leftovers that I did yesterday. I did some cabbage and saltfish with some food provision last night. We still have leftovers, so that may be for dinner depending on how that goes, or I may do some shrimp and white rice. Easy one too. Yeah, so I'm gonna do some oat porridge right now. So today's gonna be more of a relaxed, chillax day. The house is looking more like my house again, so little by little. And yeah, so we're gonna make some oats porridge now and get right into it. So I can't find any cinnamon leaf, so I'm going to use some ground cinnamon instead. Guys, so I just added the oats inside the pot. It was already boiled. I thought I was recording, but nothing was recording, so I'm sorry about that. Allowing it to boil, and then we're gonna sweeten accordingly because that's all I'm doing, just the oats.
for the people. Ran by the man, but the women keep the tempo.
I be the D-boy who infiltrated all the corridors. They call shots, I call audibles. Shake up the jeweler, bubbles, arrange what sort of do. It's big ballin', baby, when I'm courting you. I'm talking spy bags and fly packs and rooms at the Bloomberg and rumors. You on the verge of a new merge, cause that rock on your fingers like a tumor. You can't fit your hand in your new purse. It's humorous to me, they watching and we just shot an Allen hopping off the Amalfi Coast. Mafioso, oh baby, you ever seen satin? No, not the car, but everywhere we are. You sure to see stars, this is high level, not eye level. My bezel, courtesy of Audemars. I order yours tomorrow, now look at the time I saved ya. Mama, let me upgrade you.
So we're finished with Tavania's here and still need to go do my nails and everything, but just done on my and it's just need to sort through Tavania's interest and stuff because I haven't done back to school shopping yet. And if you know me, you know that normally from July 1st back to school stuff is already purchased. I need to go through her stuff, through their stuff to find out exactly what I need to throw out. I have a bunch of jackets right here on the bed right now that I just pulled out, and some of them have tag on it that she has never worn yet. Let's go. So we're gonna do a little fashion show for you guys.
School's coming back up, and my mom is gonna buy me new clothes. So we need to get jackets, and we're gonna throw away some of them if they don't fit me.
Let's try this one.
Yeah, that still fits me.
Still fits.
Yeah. And I like putting my fingers like this, cause that's cool people normally do this for style.
Oh, really?
And also they keep their fingers warm.
Alright, take it out.
Yeah.
This one I feel like this is too long for you. Let's see how that for it.
Yeah.
This is 5 teeth. I want to pull this
Yeah, that Daddy tried to put that on me, and that was very tight.
out. This one should be able to fit you.
Yeah.
This one is a size 8, so now this one definitely will fit.
Yeah, and it has a little butterfly on the back. Look, little butterfly on the back. So we're gonna keep it.
Yeah, that is actually your dressing jacket.
Dress jacket.
Yeah, it's like a sweatshirt to go out if you're going on the road, not necessarily school.
Yeah, but we're going to still use it. But I don't really like this one. I like it a little bit. Okay, next is this big coat. It's very stylish. It feels like a popular.
So this about last year. This is supposed to can't fit you.
Yeah. But I kind
It's a size 7.
But I kind of don't like it because it always gets in my face.
This is good. You don't need no jacket this year. I did buy this one big last year, so
Yeah.
you're fine.
Yeah. So next is this high school Minnie Mouse jacket, and it's very cool. It feels like you go to high school in this. So here it goes. And
That
this-
one, you just got that one, so that one should be good.
Yeah.
So we don't need to try this one.
Yeah. Grandma got this for me for a long
This
time.
needs to go.
Yep. I got that for
Yeah.
maybe fourth
For
birthday.
your 4th birthday.
Yeah.
It's done. It's a size 5. So this got to go.
I'm so excited to try on Grandma's thing. I never tried this on before.
Alright, this one is a size 6. I think you wore this only one time. It can still fit you. It's the Tommy Hilfiger
Yeah, this is my
jacket. Winter
Mama,
jacket.
Mama, do you still like this jacket since it's pink? Your favorite color's pink?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
I feel I'm gonna pick it up. Because right now you're wearing 7 and 8. And this is a 6.
I still like it.
Good?
Oh,
I'm gonna make you wear this out to school too. So you can have a little bit of wearing it. Because I think you only wore this like one time.
yeah, on the road. And yeah, only wore that one time. And finally, oopsie.
Yeah, this one you have, that one you haven't worn that one at all.
Let's try it
better
more.
that one. Show them that one.
So this is the jacket what my grandma gave me, but I never wore it before. Let's try it on.
Still has the tag on it. It's
It
definitely
fits
can fit you.
perfectly.
The 6'7", this is perfect.
We have to start wearing this to school.
Not to school, but we need to start wearing it out in the winter. 6'7", so you have one more year leaving this. This is so cute and warm. And it's
Yeah.
all padded. I love this.
Okay.
That
Next
one
one.
is gonna go. That one you have the size 5.
Gotta go. Sorry, bud.
Like that is like it comes with a suit. It's like a poncho.
So this is it.
Like a poncho. A size 5, so it's
Gotta go. I do not like the Minnie Mouse at all. Not stylish.
It's not stylish, she said. That is crazy.
That's for babies.
That's crazy. So
And I'm
this
going into 2nd grade, and I'm gonna wear a Minnie Mouse jacket. That's for babies. This jacket is so for babies. And now I'm moving into 2nd grade. And this is what my mother's gonna make me wear.
yes, it still fits you. Still weird.
No, Mama, I hate that.
Come. It does fit you perfectly. So you have
Don't zip it up.
half more.
I hate
hair
it so
to
much
wear.
I don't even want to wear it at
You
all.
used to be in minimal so much. Why you don't like minimals anymore?
Because Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, group
It's ripped.
is
Oh. I heard. I'm dirty. Watch.
those are for babies. Oh, this perfect thing is perfect.
Drop this in your
Perfect.
shot this. This is so nice. I think you only wear this like 2 times a month if you wear it so much.
Yeah. Let's go wear it to school. It's
You're
comfy.
gonna have to wear it to school.
It's so furry in the inside. If you ever touch in the inside, it feels like you touching a soft baby's butt.
You're gonna be not gonna have a lot of wearing this. So you gotta utilize this ASAP. Let's hope that by Christmas come it's not too small. Or by
You're going on somewhere else. I think this has to go.
what size is that?
Um,
Size 6. Still have wearing it.
5, 6.
Yes,
5 and
5, 6.
yeah, 5, 6.
Yeah.
It's too small for me.
No, it's not. So I want to wearing this. You got a lot of wearing this.
Yeah, it's kind of tight on the inside.
Yeah, hold on.
Do I have to wear that?
It is short. It is
Yeah.
short.
Yeah, can it cover? You can't even cover the thing, but don't throw it away.
Nice short.
Mama, I think this is probably gonna be my favorite.
No, we just bought this one last year. This
Yeah.
is a 6-7, so this definitely. This one, guys, this definitely gonna stay because we just bought this last year.
Yeah, that's cute. So this is a little jean jacket.
It's a jeans vest. And what size is this? This is a size 4. Tavania. It's a baby.
Yeah. you know.
This one, I think I cut out the tag because he said it was itching your neck. Let's try it on. It looks like it can't fit you though.
Yep.
Try it.
Look. Oh God, that's kind of. Oh God, it's squeezing up my whole arm.
Alright, so this is a no.
Yeah. That's this one. This one.
What size is that one?
Wait. 6.
6. I think you should still have wearing this. At least for this year.
I think this is too
I
big
see.
for me. That one is still too big for me. I still like it.
Yeah,
Yeah, perfect.
still good. Yeah. Okay, ma. Alright, take off.
Turning around. I'm turning around, baby. I'm turning around.
This stays. This came with a an outfit too, right? Yeah, that dress with
Yeah.
a pink bottom.
Look, it's still not. I'm going to go on this one because this is my.
So how does it look so?
What do you mean?
Why it has all these things on it?
Oh,
Look on the sleeve. Where's the dress with this? What on her?
that's
Paint, right?
glue.
Just need to wash.
Well, this is probably going to be my
What the
favorite.
hell is this?
It's a tie-dye.
No, this. What happened here, son? We're running from this.
And I definitely don't know what that happened.
You have never worn this. It still has a tag on it. But what this? Guys, look here. I don't know
Something
what this
happened.
is.
This is. Look.
Yeah, what is?
Maybe dirt or something.
That's weird. Put your mom washing and see. And this, you have to buy this for you on Christmas and you still haven't worn this yet.
Yeah, I think it's too big for me.
It's a Red Riding Hood. Let's try it on.
You're not my mother. You are a wolf. Get out my house.
Oh, this is perfect.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
I still like it. Look at this. I'm gonna look at myself in the mirror. I have candy in my pocket.
So she's a little Miss Riding, Little Red Riding Hood.
Little Red Riding Hood.
The peacoat that her brother TJ bought this for her like 2 Christmases ago.
Yeah,
It was big, but I said to keep it. This is a medium. Normally she wear like a small, but this is perfect now, so she growing into this.
Yeah, I still like that one.
I love this.
Same.
Alright, and that's it for all the jackets.
Yeah, do you want to move on
So I don't think we need any jackets right now for you to go to school at all. So that's good.
So do you want to move on to shoes or clothes?
I'm not gonna do the clothes then right now.
Let's do the shoes then.
We need to start out the shoes.
Yeah. Okay, let's try. I think I can try this first since you never wore it.
That has nothing to do with school. So the first thing we need to try to see if you still need a winter boot for school. So
Yeah.
this is about her last year. Let's see if this can still fit. Push your foot in this.
Oh my god, it keep making me fall. I need. Ow!
What happened?
It keep letting me off.
Get up and push your foot in.
It's in.
It's in? Is it too tight?
It fits because my toe's all the way at the end. Help me, please.
It's a size. This is a size 1. You're all the way into a size 3 right now. This still fitting in. Push it. Ready?
It's cushion. It's cushion. Yes.
Stand up.
Oh my god. Yeah, I got it in.
Send.
I got it in. Boom, boom, boom.
Does it fit?
Every time, like, when I do this and I pretend to jump, it feels like it's gonna come off of me.
Is it? So that means it's not tight then. Okay. All right. Good.
Oh god. Oh god.
I know.
Take
That's
it off
funny.
me.
It's funny that it's size 1 and it's still fitting.
Ah! You slide me! I woke up in a new Bugatti. But let's woke up in a new Bugatti. Okay, I think I'm gonna break that with it.
Alright, your school shoes definitely gotta go. Yeah, fit in. It would help if you put on the right foot. This goes on this one.
I'm sorry. God, it's keep hurting my fingers.
Oh, you need to do extra. Oh, your foot too big.
Oh my god. Ow!
Ready?
Ice.
Again?
At the end.
Come.
Oh, God.
Onto the stick. Push.
I'm going backwards in my new Bugatti.
It's in. Stand up.
No, it's not it.
Come, stand up, stand up, stand up.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. Oh God, it's
That-
itching my foot. It's my foot. So bad. The cops itching my foot. It feels like I'm
It's
in a
very
car.
close though. Is it squeezing you? With socks on, I feel like you can't squeeze it. How are these size 1? Some of these sneakers that you have, we may have to wear them out at school, so I want to get this. So, alright, I'm going to check on Tristan's shoes. I know that he has jackets, that much I know. Because I bought so many jackets for him last year.
I will get him for you.
I know he has jackets and stuff, but since we're already in here, we're just going to check to see if he has jackets on here that needs to be thrown out regardless. Because I know I haven't changed out his jackets for a while in terms of throwing out what can't fit. Alright Tristan, we're going to go through just your jackets down to see the jacket that can't fit you. So we can throw them out. So I feel like your closet is being filled up with a whole bunch of stuff that can't fit. Okay? Alright, some of these clothes need to throw out, but we're not going to touch that right now. This is the old one or the new one? This is the old one. I know the old one was getting too tight for you, right? Alright, so we're going to throw it in the bag right there. So this is how this one he has for like, what, 3 years now? So this is a size 8. Alright, so that's in the bag right here, so there's a close one. Was it too small now, or was it because it ripped and grandma sewed it? Try this one, I think this is too small for it. So. Try that one. These are new stuff, so I know that these fit. These are stuff that I bought last year.
I didn't even put it on, and I didn't even put it all the way on.
Didn't feel tight?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, these are all brand new ones. This vest is new, so I know this one can fit. This is a large. I know this fits. What about this Converse one? 10, 12. This supposed to can fit you? It does?
For sure.
I don't think you ever wore this one before.
No, not yet.
So this should be able to fit. I don't even have them try this one. So we just get fine. Train. So most of your jackets under here can fit. These are brand new. This, I just got this. And this is the new one. So, I think this is the only one that made me look a bit too tight.
No, I wear that one.
This one good too?
Yes.
You sure?
I wear that to school, out like almost on a daily basis.
Alright, see, you know no jacket fit change. There was just that one. That one.
No, those two.
Okay, so the only other thing we're going to try is your shoes to see the type of shoes that we need to get you in terms of.
I know this because I'm size 6 now. I know I'm a size 6.
You're a 7 now.
7?
Yep. Alright, you still have your kickers. This still good underneath.
Yeah,
so
Daddy had space in that so it could fit me.
So this can still wear like in the winter time. You don't need no boots like what we used to buy when we were in elementary school.
Yeah.
Alright. Worst case scenario. Can this still fit you?
No, I don't think it should. It shouldn't.
This is a let me take this out. This is a what? This is a size 4. For the fun I just try it on.
I had this since like 3rd grade.
No. 4. It fits still?
It feels like
It tight?
yeah, my foot is at the end though.
Yeah, but is it like, does it feel close?
No, it doesn't feel like clothes on my foot, but like it's like it feels it.
Alright, let me keep it just in case. Worst case scenario, it's a bad snowstorm. We have something over. I think that's it because we're already gonna get new school shoes, and that can wear for snow one. So
I have to get.
alright, so guys, I'm actually in my garage. It's a mess, but out here is so beautiful. So I choose just to do my nails out here. So if you see the junk, it's in my garage.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.